Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer claim checks using mobile deposit with USAA. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the USAA mobile app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, tap on the Deposits tab at the bottom of the screen. Select Deposit a check from the options provided. Carefully read any instructions or alerts regarding mobile deposits. Tap on the Start Deposit button to begin the process. Choose the type of check you are depositing, in this case, select Claim Check. Follow the on-screen prompts to take a picture of the front of the check. Ensure the check is well lit and clearly visible in the frame. Once you capture the front image, tap Use this photo to confirm. Now, take a picture of the back of the check. Make sure to sign the back of the check as required before taking the picture. After capturing the back image, tap Use this photo to confirm. Review the deposit details, including the check amount and any attached images. If everything appears correct, tap Submit Deposit. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your deposit has been submitted. Keep track of your bank account for updates regarding the deposit status. Make sure to hold on to the physical check until the deposit is confirmed. Once confirmed, destroy the check securely to protect your information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.